a timeless allure unveiling India's aromatic heritage. India, a land of vibrant colors, rich history, and captivating aromas. For millennia, India has been renowned for its exquisite perfumes, scents that have woven themselves into the very fabric of its culture and history. From the royal courts to humble homes, perfumes have held a place of honor, their allure transcending time and tradition. This essay will embark on a fragrant journey exploring the fascinating world of ancient Indian perfumes. Our exploration will delve into the historical significance of fragrances in Indian society, tracing their roots back to ancient scriptures and archaeological discoveries. We will uncover the secrets behind traditional perfume-making methods, passed down through generations of skilled artisans. Prepare to be enchanted by tales of rare and exotic ingredients, sourced from the furthest corners of the subcontinent and beyond. Join us as we uncover the profound role of perfumes in ancient Indian rituals, medicine, and daily life. Discover how these aromatic concoctions were used to appease deities, heal the sick, and enhance personal beauty. Finally, we will trace the enduring legacy of these ancient practices in the world of modern perfumery, revealing how the scents of the past continue to inspire and captivate us today. Fragrant whispers of the past, perfumes in ancient India. Step back in time and imagine the bustling streets of ancient India. The air is alive with a symphony of scents, a fragrant tapestry woven from countless sources. The aroma of sandalwood incense drifts from temples, mingling with the sweet perfume of jasmine garlands. Perfumes were an integral part of life, not merely a luxury. Ancient texts like the Vedas and the Kama Sutra mention the use of fragrant oils and pastes. Excavations at Harappa and Mohenjo-daro unearthed terracotta perfume bottles and distillation equipment. These findings indicate a sophisticated understanding of perfume-making techniques. Perfumes played a pivotal role in ancient Indian courtly life. Skilled perfumers held positions of esteem in royal courts. Nature's aromatic bounty, exotic ingredients of ancient perfumery. India's rich biodiversity provided ancient perfumers with a vast and diverse palette of aromatic materials. From the snow-capped Himalayas to the tropical rainforests, the subcontinent was a treasure trove of fragrant flowers, spices, resins, and woods. These natural ingredients were carefully selected for their unique olfactory properties and blended with masterful precision to create a harmonious symphony of scents. Among the most prized ingredients were sandalwood, jasmine, and vetiver. Sandalwood, with its warm, woody aroma, was considered sacred and used extensively in religious ceremonies and perfumes. Jasmine, known as the Queen of the Night, captivated with its intoxicating sweet scent and was often used to create romantic perfumes. Vetiver, a fragrant grass, lent its earthy and grounding aroma to perfumes, adding a layer of complexity and depth. Other notable ingredients included spices like cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon, which added warmth and spice to perfumes. Flowers like roses, lotus, and champaka contributed their delicate floral notes, while resins like frankincense and myrrh imparted a mystical and alluring quality. These ingredients were often combined with animal-derived substances like musk and ambergris, which added a sensual and long-lasting dimension to the perfumes. The Alchemists' Art traditional perfume making in India. The creation of ancient Indian perfumes was a meticulous and intricate art form, passed down through generations of skilled artisans. These perfume masters, often referred to as Gandhavaidya or fragrance healers, possessed an intimate knowledge of aromatic ingredients and their transformative properties. They were alchemists of scent, transforming raw materials into olfactory masterpieces. One of the most ancient and revered methods of perfume making in India was attar distillation. This labor-intensive process involved steam distilling fragrant materials like flowers, leaves, or woods to extract their essential oils. The essential oils were then carefully collected and blended with a base of sandalwood oil or alcohol to create attars, highly concentrated and long-lasting perfumes. Another traditional method was enfleurage, a technique that involved capturing the fragrance of delicate flowers like jasmine and tuberose. Flowers in full bloom were layered between sheets of fat, which absorbed their scent over time. The fragrant fat, known as enfleurage, was then washed with alcohol to extract the perfume oil. This method, though time-consuming, yielded exceptionally pure and true-to-nature scents. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content on history, culture, and the art of fragrance.